So with the same 3 shades we are going to go further, and here I'm giving a wash of crimson, that is watery crimson. And for the darker tones we are going to use plain crimson, and for the highlights, that is the shine part, we are going to use the white poster color. So as I can see in the reference, I'm exactly trying to do it the same manner. So in the reference also there are extreme darker shades where there is a little crimson plus black kind of a tone, but here I'm not trying to make it so complicated, so I haven't used the darkest tone which I can see in the reference. Like at some places I can literally see crimson plus a little black shade, so I'm not using that shade at all anywhere. So we are just going to use these 3 basic shades and play around with them.